rebuttal activity, and I have been given a very good topic. Can morality exist without religion? So let me put forth my opinion. In my view, yes, morality exists without religion. Morality simply refers to fair action. It refers to honesty. It refers to loyalty, and these are the characteristics which are inherent in human beings. Simply when we say that we are moral creature, so it means we are filled with empathy, we are filled with sympathy, and we are honest, and we believe on honesty of the work, and we believe in the fairness of an action. So, and these factors don't have any kind of affiliation or association with any kind of religion. We can take an example of a small kid, I would say, who is having of his 15 years or less than 15 years. He has a kindness for, I would say, pets. He has a kindness for people as well. So there is no, I would say, connection of religion at all. The things which come out from human beings, they are natural, and they are simply demonstrated by the people. So it clearly shows that religion has no affiliation with regard to morality. Now let's talk about our Indian Armed Forces. It is a secular forces. There is no any kind of religious affiliation. But they are there to fight with enemy. But in that battle, they show kindness, they show compassion for the enemy as well. I mean, the kind of stories which we have heard. I mean, we simply respect the bodies of enemy as well. I mean, to give them proper procedure which is simply given to them. So these are the things which clearly shows that there is no association of the morality with any kind of religion. Let me put forth another point. Let's talk about some animals. I mean, which we simply domesticate in our homes, like pet animals, dog and other stuff. Cow, buffalo, other things also. They also show some kind of kindness, some kind of, I would say, morality with regard to their own, I would say, owner. I mean, let's talk about the dog simply, which we domesticate in our home, and we have seen the kind of morality it shows towards its owner, its members. I mean, it is very much loyal for them also. So these are the, I would say, examples which clearly shows that there is no association of religion with regard to morality. But yes, what religion actually does, it simply adds ice on the cake. I mean, because when it comes to religion, so it also promotes honesty, it also promotes morality for the people. So it acts as a catalyst, I would say. But if we should talk about overall, so I would say there is no affiliation. Yeah, a small portion I would like to add. Talking about the atheists who don't believe in God, but they believe in morality, they believe in fairness. So these are the clear examples which I want to put forward with you. That's all.
So I would like to ask a question. As you said that morality